Today's just a big thank you day because all of these fabrics are ridiculously nice, and we're going to do them all at $10. And that is just ridiculous, but it's thank you. It's thank you guys because you just are wonderful people, and we're just going to say thank you. Today and tomorrow they'll be $10. This is a white suede cotton poly. It's stunning. It's beautiful. Beautiful for a little jacket. It's a stretch woven. You could do pants. It's really, really lovely. Again, cotton poly, stretch woven. It's beautiful. This is Italian. This is a designer. On this particular case, I can't say the name. It's from Italy. It's 100% cotton. It's stretch woven. Again, it's absolutely stunning. It's beautiful. Great for jacket, skirt, pants. This, just some companion pieces. This is a cotton poly. It feels like a silk. Looks like a silk, but it's a cotton poly. It's a really beautiful piece of fabric, and you can see just blends really nicely with this. Also with this. This is a cotton poly. Isn't that pretty? Just a beautiful piece. Got the grays, peaches, oranges, just really beautiful. This is 100% cotton. You can see all these go so beautifully together. This 100% cotton. This is a stretch woven also. 100% cotton stretch woven. Very beautiful piece of fabric. And then this is the body doubles. This is meant to be, it's a cotton poly. It has stretch in both directions. I mean, you can use it for everything, but it's meant to be like the liner, the color of your skin, so that when you put it under something sheer, it brings out the color of the sheer. So again, today these are all $10. And the goal is to really have happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns. Thanks. Bye.